In this video, I'm going to show you 3 best free video editing software, and I kept this list very short for 2 main reasons. One is that most other options, they put a watermark on your videos that you don't want. And the second reason is to make your decision easy to choose one of these. This video is for beginners who have just started editing their videos, because most of us, they just take the video and put it on the YouTube or any other platform without editing. But for a professional quality video, you have to edit your videos. So as a beginner video creator, you will learn some of the video editing terms in this video. But this is not a video tutorial of any of these 3 free video editing software, because this is a short video made for you to introduce you to these free options. The free video editing options I'm going to show you are legitimate. They are not any spam, because there are many spam software that may put a virus on your computer. So these are legitimate. They do not put any watermark on your videos, and they are full-featured video editing software. I have used one of these software for nearly 4 years in my YouTube career, as well as for creating my online courses. And at the end of this video, I will show you there are 2 main reasons why I switched to a paid video editing software. So stay tuned and watch this video, and you will learn many video editing terms as a beginner content creator. So without further ado, let's get started after a short break. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tahir and I make videos about educational technology tools and tutorials about applications you can use to create content. If you are interested in this topic, please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. Now, these are some of the video editing tasks we have to perform when we are editing our videos. The first is timeline editing, where we put our video clips and our audio clips, and then we remove or cut the undesired parts of our videos. For example, and these type of things that you don't want to include in your videos. So this is the main task we do on a timeline. And I'm going to show you in a minute what is a timeline. Then there are transitions. When one scene changes to another, we put some transitions there so that it looks good. Then there are some effects. For example, blur effect. Sometimes you want to hide your personal information from a video, or sometimes you might be using a green screen. So there is a chroma key effect. Then there are filters, where you want to change the look and feel of your video image. Then keyframing. Keyframing means, for example, in tutorial videos, sometimes you want to change the speed of the video, or you want to zoom in and zoom out of your video. So this can be done with keyframing. Then there are text and titles, color grading, where you want to change a color and feel of the video. Then there are some presets. And presets are those components where you can get a particular look and feel with just one click. And then there are motion graphics. And this could be of many types. For example, 3D motion graphics or simple animations in which text is moving and some simple effects are happening on the text. So these are some of the tasks that you do as a video editor. And the tools which I am going to show you, they offer most of these, if not all. So the first software that I have not used but is very popular, and it is an open source software, is called Shortcut. You simply type download Shortcut, one word, on Google, and you will reach this page. And on this page, you can download the installer and also a zip file, and from 2 different sites. And I choose this GitHub. So I click on that and I have already downloaded this file. And this is the file you will get. You click on that and the software will be installed. And in your Windows app, this is the icon for this software. And when you click on that, you will see this user interface. Now, this is the area which is called timeline. Now, for basic editing, to cut the undesired part of the video is very simple in any software. But there are few differences. For example, in this software, the first thing you need to do is click on playlist, either on the top menu or on the lower left corner. And then you click on this project. And from your folder, you drag and drop your video clips and audio files in this area. So I have dragged these 2 files already. And then you simply drag this file into your timeline, which I have already done. and then you use these tools to, for example, cut this area in the beginning and then cut these pauses from the middle or any other thing, and then you drag the pieces together, and at the end you have to export your video and make an MP4 file. So this is the main task, but this was a brief introduction to Shortcut, very popular, but I have not used this. So the second free video editing software is called DaVinci Resolve. So you type DaVinci Resolve in Google and press enter, and you will reach this website blackmagicdesign.com. Click on that, then you scroll down until you reach this software section, and there is a free version and also there is a paid version. But for high definition videos, you only need this free version. This paid is useful when you want to create 4K videos. You have a very high quality camera, then you might be interested in the paid version. But for most of you, this free version is good enough. So when you click on this, then you select your operating system, for example, Windows, and then you have to fill this form. And it also requires your phone number, but this is a well-reputed company, so you don't have to worry about. So fill this form, and then you will be able to download their installer, which is a single file, as you can see on my computer. Click on that and it will be installed. After the installation, you will see this DaVinci Resolve logo and their icon. You click on that, and this is the user interface of this software. And you right click in this section, you import your media. Media means your video and audio files, and then you start editing. I have used this software for a couple of months, and I think that if you compare these three free video editing applications that I am showing you, this might have the most features in their free version. Now the third software is the one that I have used for 4 years, and this is called HitFilm Express, and you can download this from FX Home website. So I click on that. This also has a paid version, but you can download the free version after registration. You have to create an account, and they also offer a very good support, because during these 4 years I had problems. I sent them email and they solved my problems. But now this software is problem free. And during the last, I think 1 and 2 years, I never got any problem in this software. After the installation, you will see this icon. You click on that. Now they have recently started showing this upgrade button on the right hand side. Previously, they were not showing this when I was using this, but you don't have to upgrade, because as I mentioned that you can do almost anything to make a professional quality video in their free version. So let me open a project. And this is one of my YouTube shorts, and probably the last project that I did on this software. And just recently I have moved to paid video editing software that is called Wondershare Filmora. Now, there are two main reasons why I moved from HitFilm Express to Wondershare Filmora. And these two reasons I found in both DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm Express. These may not be valid for your situation, but the first reason was that in order to achieve few of the features, you have to do a lot of work in HitFilm Express and in DaVinci Resolve. For example, during my tutorial videos, sometimes I wanted to zoom in and zoom out. Similarly, if you have to add a blur for different scenes, it's a bit tricky in HitFilm Express, and similar types of issues I was facing. So this was one reason. The second reason I moved to Filmora, and this video is not sponsored by Filmora or anything, but this is my personal experience I'm sharing with you. The second reason I moved to Filmora was that exporting a video was a very long process for HitFilm Express. And one reason was that my desktop computer at that time was not very fast. It was a 10 years old computer. But I have noticed that some other people also complained about this issue, that exporting a video is a very lengthy process in HitFilm Express. So therefore, these two were the main reasons. So if you have a very fast computer, this might not be a problem for you, and you might be able to use this software for a very long time. So I hope that this video will give you some idea. But if you look at other YouTube reviews, you will notice that these three are the most popular free video editing options for new creators. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also put a comment about what software you are currently using and if you are facing any problems. So in this way we can discuss with each other. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.